What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, we're going to be guiding you through how to secure a POS from Clover platform, and also we'll walk you through how to run or use Clover to run your business successfully, and as well as the pricing package for each of these POS system on Clover platform. And basically, this is Clover.com platform where you can actually purchase different kind of POS system, which of course you can use to run a successful business. So walk you through the special offer, which of course they have on their website, and you can actually use that to get a very discount POS system for your business. And also I'll walk you through uh the other features that are very important, which of course you can also check if you are very much interested in getting any of these POS system. So if you also scroll down, you also see that they say everything you need to run your business smarter, faster, and easier. So you can start building your own system from this section. And if you scroll down, you also see everything that Clover is included. As you can see here, the all-in-one system to help your business thrive. So you can also scroll down to see easy payment, tighter tracking, happier customer, and more flexibility. And each of these features have their own points, which of course you can actually depend on. And if you also scroll down, you also see some reviews from people who are actually running a business and they have tried Clover before and it's actually worked best for them. So if you also scroll down, you also see some other business and how it's done on Clover. You can see take your business online ordering for restaurant. And if you also scroll down, you also see another one for e-commerce and retail online invoicing. And then you can see if you run an other restaurant, you can just click on this online ordering here, and it will definitely take you to where or the best POS you can actually get for your business. And if you want to manage your business in real time, you can see sales tracking and reporting. You can also get the Clover tracking and reporting software on this platform, and you would definitely find it so easy to use Clover to run your business successfully. And scrolling down, you also see start your own POS system. So this is actually where you start the whole thing about your business, and here you also see where and what people or what Clover actually needs to understand about your business and how you can actually be successful while using Clover platform. And you can see all this picture. These are different kind of people or business owners who are using Clover in order to make sure their business runs successfully online. So you can see no matter what kind of business you are actually running, Clover actually got you covered. So scrolling down before taking you to the next section, which is also very important as where you have to start building your own POS system. And if you also check on the top here, you can see some features like take payments, run your business, sell more, shop system, pricing, app center, log in, and contact for sales. So these are also very important features which you need in your business. I'll also walk you through the pricing section so you see the price of each POS system and the tracking and software which Clover actually got. So you can then decide on what exactly you need for your business, because I literally don't know what kind of business you are running, so you can then decide on the best one that suits your need. So you can see what do you offer your customer. So here is where Clover will try to understand what kind of business you're actually running in order to provide you the best service that you deserve. So you can see purchase products or services or food and drink. So if you provide the products and services of food and drinks, you can just select on which one you do. So let's say, for example, you provide food and drinks. So you have to click on this, then you click on the next plans here. So on this next plan, they have to request for what do you need from your point of sale system, which means what do you need from your POS. So basic point of sale system, which costs 14.95 dollar per month. So this include items and inventory, order management, details report. So and if you scroll down, you also see the features, which is flat fee for all card transactions. So you can see tap, swipe, or insert, or these are all the costs that you are going to be paying. So you can also see the features. So it accepts all kind of credit and debit card, as well as cash and checks, mobile wallet, PayPal, Venmo. You can also take a payment on a device, your phone, or online. So you can also see invoice and recurring payment. You also see everything in detail. So you will definitely these are the things you understand. You will get from the basic POS from Clover. On this quick serving service dining management, this costs $54.95 per month, which is almost $55, and this is what this actually included. So it's obviously will be more than the basic one. So it depends on which one you actually want. And if you go for this full service restaurant management, which is likely to be the best one that your restaurant might actually need. But then I feel like if you are just a small business owner who is just starting out, you can just purchase the basic POS setup, and then as you keep growing, you can then decide on which one you would like to go with, either for this quick service or for the full service restaurant management. With this full service, I'm sure you have everything you need for your business to keep on running. So after you have decided on which one to take, you can just click on the plus sign here. So once you click on the plus sign, then you can click on devices. So on these devices, they are going to give you different devices and how it looks like. So you can see these are the different devices. So what devices do you want to add? So you can see each device, after your first one, adds a 9.95 monthly fee unless it's a gold reader. So you can see what you get on this one. You can see a portable card reader that pair with your phone. So a handheld device to use at the counter. So I think this is most likely to be the best for business owners. So or if you want to use a mobile phone, you can just go for this, which is more of like paying $9.95 per month, which is for this. But then if you're going for the flex one, you have to be paying buy at $599, which is almost $600, or you have to be paying $35 per month. This is another one for a small and sleek countertop device, which is most likely famous one. You can see you can get it for almost $800, or you have to be paying $45 per month. Everything you need on a compact screen that fit any space. So this is actually more amazing. So, and each of these one also have their own features, which of course you can definitely see from them. And then you can see on details, and you'll be able to see everything that you can get in, and you can also increase on the quantities as well. If you want two or just one, you can just decide on what you want. You can also increase on this one. You can also click on details to see more details about this one, and on the menu one you can also click to see the more details. But this is what people used to get mostly, so it's very effective and efficient for every business owner. So after that, you can just decide on click on the accessories, and then you'll be able to see the accessories for the Go one, which is Go Dog probe and charge your Go reader. So this is everything you need. And after that, you can just click on the review, and you'll be able to have where you have to provide all your information about your business, and then they are going to send the POS to directly to your provided address. So this is everything you need to understand about Clover and how you can actually get started with them. And even though if I click on this particular pricing section, I think it will also take me to this particular page here. So let me scroll down so we can see what's in there, and then okay, scroll down so you can see find the all-in-one solution to power your business. So you can see different service, professional service, uh quick service, dining, retail shop, home and field services. And if you face some kind of difficulties or while using the platform, you can also chat them online. You can see the pop up here. You can just send them a message, and then one of their agents will definitely be matched with you, and then you can proceed on from there and let them know what exactly you need and what you need from them. So you can also check on this here, which is the frequently asked question, which is the FAQ. You can see, can I cancel my subscription? What is a pay monthly subscription? And then what is included with full warranty versus a limited warranty or Clover Care? What is Clover system? And then what are the monthly fee and credit card processing rate? Why are you asking me to choose a business type above? And then I saw Clover for a different price. Can you actually match it? So are there any termination fees? As also how will Clover help my business grow? So those are the questions you might want answer on. So they have provided answer to each of these frequently asked questions so that every business owner will be able to find the answer directly without wasting much of the time. So basically, this is what I actually want to share with you about Clover platform, which is one of the best POS, which is point of sales system, which of course you can actually use to kickstart your business and keep your business up running and to be able to successful. If you have any other question, you can let us know through the comment section below. I will try as much as possible to provide a response to that question. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.